Hi. So, for those of you who have been keeping track of the state of the AI, it is now available on the website. When you arrive to our website, and whether you look at all the items in the site, you can always go and chat with the AI. It is pretty friendly and is very focused on the business. You can ask him anything you want. And to do that, just follow the link. And there's our AI. We've provided some prompts for you to get started. So, you're an AI. Should I be afraid? I'm a realtor, and I want you to help me with a 20 basic photo package. Or if you want some pictures from the ground in the air, there's a prompt for you there. You can use a microphone and talk to it, or you can use the call function, which is pretty friendly. Hello, can you please tell me a little bit about your business? Now keep in mind, this is not ChatGPT or anything like that. So it's not as fast or amazing as it, but it's pretty adequate. You can read the prompt or you can wait for the voice. And
Hello, we're Eagle Lens Productions, specializing in real estate media photography and videography. Our services include high-resolution photos, virtual tours, drone videos, and more to showcase properties in the best possible light. We're based in the Houston area, offering professional photography and video services to help sellers attract more potential buyers. Whether you're looking for basic photography or comprehensive packages including aerial services, we're here to assist. For more detailed information about our services, pricing, and how to prepare your property for photography, please visit our website at https:/eaglelensproductions.com/services. If you have any specific questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
yes, can you tell me about some of the services that you provide, specifically related to photos? So from here on out, it's pretty hands-off. All you have to do is talk to it and wait for it and read the prompt, or wait for it to read it to you. It has no preference.
Absolutely. We offer a variety of photo services tailored to enhance your property listings. Here are some of the photo-related services we provide. High-resolution photos. We capture 20, 30, or 40 high-resolution photos of your property.
You get the idea. You can also use the microphone function. And to use that, you simply click on the microphone, state your question, and then click off, and that'll send the prompt up. Can you tell me about your drone services? What are they about? What can you do with a drone? And then just wait for the chat to come back, and you can read the answer. If you wanted to read it, you can click that and wait for the prompt to solve the text, and it'll return the audio for you. It is a little slow, but we're working on ways to make that a little faster. Remember that this is all more or less self-built.
Our drone services are designed to capture stunning aerial views of your property, providing potential buyers with an immersive experience. Here are some of the drone-related services we offer. Aerial photos.
You can ask it anything you wish. What is the tax rate in the state of Texas? And it tells you. Tax rate in the state of Texas is 6.25%. So how much would it cost to have 20 pictures taken, including tax? There it tells you, including the tax. So you can come and chat with them, and it'll tell you everything. What do I need to do to get the property ready to get the pictures taken? Any suggestions what to do with the pets? If pets are not part of the photo, keep pets out of the area, etc. So it is interactive. It is not scripted, and so you can. So if I do need to have my pets in the shoot just to make the house look better, what can I do? So anything you can think of, you can ask, and it'll interact with you. Anyway, this is just some of the few things that you can do with your own AI that is not ChatGPT or DeepSeek or any of those. This is based on a model called Falcon 3, which is a bit of a nerd of an AI. And then I fine-tuned it and fed documents to it so that it knows only about my business. And it's a 10 billion element AI, for those who know what that is, and functions fairly well. So come on over to Eagle Lens Productions and check out our website and engage our services. See ya.